Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Singhh SAHARAN versus Income Tax Officer. This case has been reported in 104 ITR Tribunal at page number 195. The matter has been decided by Jodhpur ITAT and the date of the judgment is 24th March 2023. The reason for discussing this case is that in this case, the ITAT has said that there is a lot of importance of the affidavits which have been submitted by the assessee during the assessment proceedings. And if these affidavits are ignored by the assessing officer without cross-examining the deponents of the affidavits, then it will be not as per the law and the assessment done by ignoring the affidavits will not be valid. In this case, the assessee has filed his income tax return. There was a sale of rupees 4 lakh of the agriculture produce. During the assessment proceedings, the assessee was not able to produce the sale bill of that 4 lakh. The assessing officer added the figure of rupees 4 lakh into the income of the assessee by saying that the assessee is not able to submit the sale bill and the assessee has submitted only the Jamabandi or you can say Girdawari, which were not valid in the eyes of the assessing officer, and in the absence of sale bill of the agriculture produce, the assessing officer made the addition of rupees 4 lakh. But in the assessment proceedings, the assessee has submitted the affidavits regarding the sale of the agriculture produce, but these affidavits were not taken care of by the assessing officer during the assessment proceedings. When this matter came to the CIT appeal deleted the addition of 2 lakh out of rupees 4 lakh and retained the addition of 2 lakh. And this CIT appeal order was also confirmed by the ITAT. When the appeal was filed before the ITAT, the second ground which was raised by the assessee was that the deponents of the affidavit has not been cross-examined, but ITAT has also ignored this second ground. So the assessee made an application to the ITAT for the recall of its order. The order was recalled, and in the final order of the ITAT held that in the assessment proceedings, it was the duty of the assessing officer to cross-examine the deponent of the affidavits and to make further inquiries according to the information which has been given by the assessee into the affidavits. But if the assessment has been done in a case where the affidavits have been submitted without cross-examining the deponents of the affidavits, then in that case, the addition made by ignoring the affidavits will not be valid. So, the ITAT held that the CIT appeal has erred in making the addition of rupees 2 lakh and directed the assessing officer to delete the addition of 2 lakh rupees also. Friends, we have seen in our income tax proceedings that a number of the times it happens that when we are not in a position to file the direct evidence, for example, if some person has given us a loan, he is not able to give his bank statement or the income tax return copy, but in that case, if we will submit his affidavit, then it can play a vital role in the assessment proceedings. So, wherever we are not able to submit the direct evidence, we can produce the same in the form of affidavit, then the burden will shift on the assessing officer to cross-examine the deponents of the affidavit, and in the absence of that, the additions can be turned as invalid by the higher authorities or by the higher appellate authorities. This is a very important case as far as the importance of affidavits are concerned. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Singhh SAHARAN versus Income Tax Officer. And this case has been reported in 104 ITR Tribunal at page number 195. And this case has been decided on 24th March 2023. Thank you, friends.